Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're on the verge of the TGE for the Layeredge Airdrop. As you can see, it might be June 2nd when we can sell our tokens. I hope by the time you're watching this video, you'll see your total allocation for seasons 1 and 2. Before the TGE, they just launched the EdgenOS Lite node, which means you can start season 3 right now. Here, I'll show you how you can join. So if you open your Layeredge dashboard, you'll see a page like this. Just click Get Started. Then you need to connect your wallet. Choose MetaMask and click Connect. As you can see, the new dashboard looks like this. Here you can view your total points for seasons 1 and 2. For season 3, you need to activate this node. To do that, scroll down and you'll find the EdgenOS key option. You need to generate a key. So click Reveal my EdgenOS key. It will generate a key for you. Simply copy this key. Now you need to download the extension which I've provided in the description. Download the extension and add it. Open the extension. Paste the code we copied earlier and click the arrow button. Wait a bit, then click Start My Node. As you can see, it's counting points. Go back to your dashboard. Wait some time and you'll see your node is running. You can also share your referral link with friends to boost your points. I'll keep you updated, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. In the pin message, you'll find all the airdrops I'm personally farming, so you can check them out. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.